Hello, Undeb, priest from Planet. On 8th of March, we'll be putting on an event in the Modland Centre in Aberystwyth. The event is called Is Wales Well? Defending Communal Values in a Time of Austerity. It'll happen at 2 p.m. in the afternoon at the Modland Centre, and again the date 8th of March in Aberystwyth. I hope she's okay.
The event will look at the effects of austerity on education, the arts, the welfare state and our happiness. It will also look at how the cuts in Wales can be resisted through community action and how the arts can flourish despite the cuts.
Carl Emery, the keynote speaker, argues that using PISA, the Programme for International Student Assessment, to measure the success of education in Wales is like using a fork to eat soup.
Wales, he says, has its own education heritage, and he'll be talking about this during the event.
Hi, I'm Emily from Planet. Carl Emery will be joined by Rebecca Williams from ICAC, the National Union of Teachers of Wales, and Tom Crompton, author of Common Cause, The Case for Working with Our Cultural Values. Later, Doug Jones, Simon Lovett and Hannah Mann will lead sessions on community activism and the arts. Details on the screen now.